Our story begins in the stark, minimalist purity of a white studio, where a single object of desire commands the space, the 1988 Porsche 944 Turbo, a brilliant slash of Guards Red against an endless white backdrop, its license plate P944TU a quiet declaration of intent. From the classic, low front three-quarter angle, the car's iconic wedge profile comes into focus, its pop-up headlights raised like alert eyes, the sleek nose bearing the simple Porsche script, and the subtly flared fenders hinting at the performance within, all rendered in liquid red under perfect, shadowless light. Moving to the side profile, the 944's genius proportions are revealed, the long, elegant hood balancing the compact cabin and that distinctive, elongated rear deck, a visual lesson in the perfect 50-50 weight distribution achieved by its revolutionary transaxle design. The rear three-quarter view showcases the car's muscular haunches and its signature design element, the large, single-piece glass hatch, topped by the integrated rear spoiler, creating an athletic silhouette that is both elegant and purposeful. From directly behind, the design is clean and technical, dominated by the full-width red tail lamp strip and that centered exhaust tip, a minimalist statement of function. Dropping low for a head-on view with the lights down, the car transforms into a smooth, aggressive wedge, all wide stance and focused intent, looking ready to slice through the air. Now, in close-up, the details shine, the intricate design of the iconic phone dial alloy wheel, the red brake caliper visible behind the spokes, and the precise mechanism of the pop-up headlight in its upright position, a piece of moving sculpture. Lifting the hood reveals the heart of the beast, the tidy, purposeful engine bay centered around the 2.5-liter inline-4, its cam cover boldly stamped turbo, with intercooler piping snaking around, a masterpiece of forced induction packaging. To understand the true innovation, we look underneath, where the car is elevated to reveal its mechanical masterpiece, the unique transaxle layout, with the combined gearbox and differential mounted at the rear axle, connected by a drive shaft, and the robust trailing arm suspension. This is the engineering secret to its legendary balance. Stepping inside, the driver's view is a lesson in focused ergonomics, dominated by the classic three-spoke steering wheel and the perfect, analog gauge cluster with its central tachometer, all housed in a wraparound black dashboard. From the passenger seat, the cabin's symmetry and simple, functional layout come into view, a time capsule of purposeful 80s design. A close-up on the gear shifter shows the classic 5-speed pattern and the leather boot, your direct link to the mechanics, while the view of the bolstered sport seats with red stitching echoes the exterior's passion. Looking forward from the rear hatch, the panoramic glass creates an airy, surprisingly practical space, reminding us this is a true Grand Tourer. From above, the cockpit's driver-centric layout is a model of ergonomic purity. For drama, we go to the extreme with a ground-level rear shot, making the car's forms loom large and powerful, and we capture a playful moment with one pop-up headlight frozen in mid-cycle, a charming mechanical quirk. Finally, we end where we began, pulling back to a wide shot of the 944 Turbo standing alone, a balanced, turbocharged, and timeless icon that represents the peak of analog driving purity, a car that challenged giants in its day and now stands as a testament to intelligent, engaging performance.